Hello and welcome to a very special episode of Tiny Tim's Minis. For those of you that do not know, I am Tim, and on this channel we take big things and we make them small. To start off, I want to thank you so much, 1,000 subscribers. I really would have never thought within less than a year of starting my YouTube channel that I would have hit 1,000 subscribers. Thank you guys so much to my new subscribers, my old subscribers, people watching this, just thank you so much everybody. I can't believe I have more than 1,000 people supporting me in my art. It's ridiculous. I am so happy. I am so excited. Thank you so much. In order to thank you, I'm going to be giving away one of my dioramas. I'm going to be giving away my post-apocalyptic, I can't say that word. My post-apocalyptic bus diorama. That's the video that kind of sent me over the edge for 1,000 subscribers. And I want to give it away just to say thank you. In order to enter, all you have to do is subscribe and leave a comment down below. And in a week from now, I'm going to pick a random comment, and you're going to be the owner of a new diorama. That's it. That's all you got to do. I just want to say thank you, because I really never thought I would make it to this point. And I'm so excited to keep making content, keep just making my art, showing the world. And I just want to say thank you. So just leave a comment, hit that subscribe button. And in a week from now, you could have a diorama. It's free shipping. Don't worry about that. I'm just going to send it out. We'll figure out the details in a week from now. But thanks again, guys. I am so excited. I got a new diorama in the works. It's up in the air right now. If that gives you any indication, it's up in the air. Just think, the last one I did was a Cave of Wonders. Now the next one's up in the air. Think about it. Think about it. Think about it. But yeah, make sure hit that subscribe button, leave a comment, and you could have a new diorama. Thank you guys again so much. 1,000 subscribers. I cannot believe 1,000. I am flabbergasted. But again, all right, I'm gonna stop ranting because I'm just gonna keep saying 1,000 subscribers and get excited. So I will see you guys next time for another video. Thanks.